To defeat all 3 golems in LEGO Fortnite, follow these strategies. First one here is to identify the weaknesses. Each golem may have a specific weakness. Pay attention to their attack patterns to find opportunities to strike. Make sure you have plenty of building materials and weapons. Upgrade your gears if possible to maximize your damage output. Create structures to gain high ground. This can help you dodge their attacks and give you a better vantage point to shoot them. If you're playing with friends, coordinate your attacks. One player can distract the golems while others deal damage from a safe distance. Wait for the golems to wind up their attacks, then move in for damage when they're vulnerable. Keep an eye on your health and use any available healing items. Stay in the fight by avoiding unnecessary damage. If you don't succeed with the first time, learn from your mistakes and adapt your strategy. Good luck. With the right approach, you'll take them down. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.